we're going to take a look at the Bark River crash axe. People have been using tomahawks, hatchets, axes, hand axes, whatever you want to call it, ever since somebody decided that you could tie a stone to a stick and make a tool. The Viking battle axes were legendary for being able to split shields and take down horses. Now, axes of this type are generally used by law enforcement and military personnel as an entry tool. That's what this thing at the end is for. Here are the specs on the crash axe. Overall length is 14 inches. The axe bit is 3 inches with an overall head width of 6 inches. Blade thickness is 0.29 inches, and this is A2 steel. The weight is 33 ounces. The axe is hand ground to sharp in a very slight hollow ground right there. It's all convex though, and that's added behind the edge. I don't know if you can see it, to help throw chips if you're chopping wood. Now this spike at the end is hand ground to a chisel point. And this is for deep penetration of doors or windows or something like that. This is an axe that can work very hard, but it could also be a fine weapon. One of my favorite parts of this whole setup are the green micarta handles that are available. It really matches my Bark River Cub nicely. When it gets a little more wear on it like this Cub has, I'm going to have a matching set. The axe comes with a solid leather sheath, and this is very important because unlike the old timers, you don't want to carry this thing on your belt without protection from that edge. Very sharp. So do you need an axe like this as part of your outdoor gear? Well, many of the experts like Horace Keppert and folks like that always carried an axe with them. And then they would carry, a knife like this, a sheath knife essentially, a 4 to 6 inch blade, and then they'd carry a pocket knife. This is the type of tool that will do a lot of jobs around camp, and if you got into an emergency situation, this might be just what you need. So anyway, that's my first impression of the Bark River crash axe. This is survivalcommonsense.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.